Welcome back. In this video, we're taking our SFTP integration one step further by combining Databridge Pro, Attune EAM, and AI-based image analysis. The objective is to automatically identify corrosion on pipe flange equipment, and when corrosion is detected, create a work order in Attune EAM for corrective action. Let's start with our source data. Here we have 3 equipment images representing pipe flanges. 2 of the flanges are corroded, while the third one is in good condition. These images are placed into the configured SFTP location. Databridge Pro monitors the SFTP location, captures the incoming files, and extracts the required information from them. The integration then performs the necessary validation and transformation before sending the relevant equipment information and image to the AI model for further processing. The AI model has been trained specifically to recognize corrosion on pipe flange equipment. For each image, the AI analyzes the equipment condition and returns a classification as either good or corroded, along with the confidence of the prediction. In this example, 2 of the pipe flanges are identified as corroded, while the third one is recognized as being in good condition. In this example, 2 of the pipe flanges are identified as corroded, while the third one is recognized as being in good condition. Now let's take a closer look at what happens inside the integration. Here we can see the results being captured in Databridge Pro for each equipment record. For every incoming image, the integration processes the equipment information and sends the image to the AI API for analysis. The AI API evaluates the image and returns the inspection result, identifying whether the pipe flange is in good condition or corroded. As we go through the results, we can see that the response from the AI is received back into the integration and associated with the corresponding equipment. For the corroded pipe flanges, the returned result indicates that corrosion has been detected. For the pipe flange that is in good condition, the AI returns the corresponding good condition result. This is an important part of the workflow because the AI response is not simply displayed as an output, it becomes part of the integration logic. Based on this returned condition, Databridge Pro can determine whether the equipment requires further action in Attune EAM. So, the result from the AI becomes the decision point that determines whether we continue with work order creation or simply complete the process for equipment that is in good condition. This AI-based classification allows the integration to make a decision on what should happen next. If the equipment is identified as being in good condition, the process does not need to create a corrective work order. However, when corrosion is detected, the integration continues the process and sends the required information to Attune EAM to create a corrective work order. The equipment information is carried along with the integration, allowing the work order to be associated with the appropriate asset. Here we can see that 2 work orders have been created for the 2 corroded pipe flanges. Notice that the problem code is automatically populated as corrosion, making it clear why each work order was generated. We can also see that the original inspection image is attached to the work order as a document. This gives the maintenance team visual evidence of the detected condition directly within Attune EAM, allowing them to understand the issue without having to go back to the original SFTP file. So, the complete flow is SFTP Databridge Pro data validation, AI image analysis, corrosion detection, Attune EAM work order. The key advantage of this approach is that inspection data can move from an external source, through AI-based condition assessment, and directly into the maintenance process. Instead of simply identifying corrosion, the integration can automatically trigger the next step, creating a work order for corrective action. This creates a connected process between file-based data, integration, AI-driven inspection, and EAM maintenance management. That's the complete AI-powered SFTP integration with Databridge Pro and Attune EAM. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more EAM integrations, customizations, and AI-based solutions.